I know, dear. Oh. Do you have the hiccups? I think you do. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is the most alert we've been all day, isn't it? Oh. All right, Missy. Let's see if we can get you back to bed.